Today I'm about to show you how to replace a fuel pump assembly on the 03 Max. Shouldn't be that hard, man. You'll see. Just a couple bolts, remove the seat. That's it, man. This is the car right here we about to work on. Let's get it, man. Let me show you how to check it first before you do that, before you replace it. Let's get it. To know if your fuel pump is bad, it'll like die like while you're driving, and so when it dies, it'll hesitate to start. Like you know, it'll try to start. Sometimes it'll start and die. Sometimes to check it, you'll start it and have somebody hit the fuel pump with like a wood or something. See if it starts. That's how you definitely know it's the fuel pump. That's pretty much it. Sometimes there'll be no gas in there and it dies because your gas gauge ain't working. It's common in these cars. It should just go. It'll show full, but it's not full, and you really have no gas in there. So let's check this shit, and yeah, let's get it. First things first, let's check if the fuse is good. It's right here. This is where your fuel pump fuse is. 15A. It's up here. 15. Right here. It's either use a test light to check that, or you just grab your fuse puller and just pull it out. Check it. See if it's good. See that? Fuse is good. Use a test light, see if it gets power. It should get power. Alright. Okay. To remove the seat, there's a clip here. This is not the actual seat. This is from a SCR, so I sold the seat. But yeah, there'll be clips under here. Like 2 clips. One there. You have to pull on it and just pull up, and the seat will go up, and there's one over there. So you do that, take out the seat. This is your fuel pump right here. Bam. Like I was saying, check the fuel pump. So someone will start it while you hit on this. If you bang on this shit and it starts and die, sometimes it'll just stay on. That's how you know it's a damn fuel pump. So let's take out these bolts. These are 10 mil. Got the 10 mil. Let's take this shit off. Okay, there you go. That. Like that. Okay. Put that to the side. Lift it up. There'll be a connector right here. See that? It's a connector. This is brand new, by the way. It looks brand new. Okay, now you see these 8 mils, these 6 8 mils. You gotta take them out. Sometimes there'll be pressure in here, so be careful. Get a cloth, put it over it, and take it out. I'm about to do that. Let's take this shit out. So you will squeeze on here. Let me get some gloves, actually. Okay, got the cloth. Let's put this here while you push this inwards. Alright. So you take it out. This one didn't spill that bad. So yeah, take it out. Take this off and put it in there so it's easier to put on when you put that shit back. Okay, just like that. Alright, let's take out the 8 mils. 8 mil bolts. If you're a smoker, don't smoke and do this shit. I seen shit. Shit crazy. Just like that. Just like that. Bam. Alright, so we take those off. Try to move this out the way a little. Take this off. Then pull up. Slowly. Just like that. Just like that. There you go. There's your fuel pump, man. Fuel pump assembly. It's the whole assembly. It's not the actual fuel pump. The fuel pump, you have to go inside there, take it out, all that shit. But it's mad work. So doing the whole assembly is much faster, easier. Some other people, they change this shit too. This is the fuel filter. This is the fuel filter for Maximus. They've changed this whole thing. This thing. And yeah, replace that fuel pump in there. So if you want to do that, that's another process. Now, if the gas not reading, you just look in there, see if there's gas in there. This thing's almost on E, so this is something. Now, let's put this shit back together. Get your fuel pump assembly. This is another one I had. It works, so I'm just gonna sell the other one. That's why I'm putting this one. Temporary, to junk this car. So, let's put this in. That, center in first, don't break it. You don't wanna break it. Close in, okay. That, twist it, just like that. Take this thing out the way, drop to the flow, just like that. Shoot this tight on there. Oh yeah, also make sure there's a gasket right here you should replace. It's the gasket. The new assembly, it should come with a new gasket. This is the gasket right here. So as soon as you get the new gasket, put it on there like that. Place the fuel pump assembly down. Get your black top piece. Put it over. Now let's tighten the eights. The eights. Soon you tighten all your bolts. Let's put these back. Connectors. See? Now you just push. Push. Ah, there you go. Bam. Now let's get your connector. Connector from here. Okay. Just like that. Let's put your 10 mils on. Let's tighten these down. Okay. Okay. Alright. Soon you're done, try to start it. See if it starts. It should start. And yeah, that's it, man. When you put your seat back on, you have to, you know, put the seat belts in first between here. Those. And you know, tuck it in first, then try to put these clips right here in there. Soon it clicks down, you're good. Do the other side, same way. Alright, so your car gonna smell like gas for, you know, a few days, or same day is gonna go away, and that's pretty much it. Start the car, see if it starts. It's gonna start if that's the fuel pump issue. And that's it, man. If you have any questions, you already know, man. Comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, man.